A famous hotel owner revealed the secret to me. Just use fabric softener and lime. To start today's tip, we will use a lime. The ideal is with a knife. Make 2 cuts in the lime, just avoiding cutting completely. Next, we will put the lime in a small container. You can make more containers, being each lime with a different aroma, to put in different environments in your home. We will then add 3 tablespoons of coarse salt, being the ideal item, to keep all other active ingredients longer. This tip will surely surprise everyone who visits your home. Even after cleaning my house, I still keep this tip, further extending the smell of cleanliness. All my friends ask me, what is the secret of the rooms in my house being so fragrant? This tip is very simple, and you will have the house smelling good for many days. Next, we will also use 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Carolyn Eniike from Portland. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once added, spread so that the coarse salt absorbs the vinegar well, with a low cost, and you probably already have all the ingredients in your home. It will be the best tip you can make. Now I will add softener. 25 milliliters is enough for this tip. Any visit I receive at home asks me about the smell. That is in all environments. After I discovered this trick, my house smells like a rich man's house. Ideally, place softener until it covers the coarse salt. This tip is very simple, and you will have the house smelling good for many days. To finish, I will put clove in addition, to directly assist in the aroma of the environment. Also acts as insect repellent. Just putting some clove and softener in some corner. Already notice the change of aroma here. It is indispensable. With this, our tip will be ready for use. I hope you liked our tip today. Have the house smell as good as I have in mine? Then tell me, what was your experience with this tip? Remembering that the use of this mixture is up to a week. Within that time, the smell will be used to the maximum. You will not regret doing. I appreciate you watching this tip so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.